Hey there, and welcome to Jeep Sheep TV, and welcome to the 6th episode of the $100 Jeep body. So this wouldn't be a do-it-yourself, save some money type video without me showing you how to repurpose things that were previously intended for something else. So behind me here, I have a bed frame. This is off of a twin-size bed. It doesn't matter. But what I've learned, and I can't remember who told me this, but bed frames are readily available. A lot of times people are giving them away or throwing them away or selling them for dirt cheap, and they have angle iron. And in this case, it's a lower thickness, a lighter gauge angle iron, which is great for mending to sheet metal because metal thicknesses is kind of important. It's hard to weld thick to thin, whatever. So I picked this up off Facebook Marketplace for $10. A lot of times I said you can get them for free, and that's true, but this was just down the road, so I couldn't pass it up. And it wouldn't be a Facebook Marketplace $10 bed frame without this stuck in it, which is cetirizine hydrochloride and pseudoephedrine hydrochloride extended release tablets, 5 milligrams, 120 milligrams, tear at notch uses are necessary. I have no idea what this is, but I'll look it up and I'll put it on the screen. So anyway, the next little bit's just going to be a time lapse or whatever of me cutting this to bits into usable parts that I'm going to then put onto the body. The other thing I didn't mention that's useful about this is it's already painted. So if you're putting it in a spot where it won't be able to be painted later, like I will be, that you can at least be assured that there's some kind of paint helping with corrosion resistance. Yay! Yeah, just like that, we've got ourselves a nice piece of angle iron and a couple other smaller pieces of angle iron and a set of wheels. So got one other side to do, and then yeah, we can start using these pieces. Alright you guys, now it's time for us to start on this lip here. So like I said before, it was factory welded edge to edge, and now we're going through it and we're cutting it off, and we're going to run a weld all the way down here. And that should help us with corrosion down the road, because as you can see, it got pretty rusty. And yeah, eliminate that. Let the water just drip right off.
I don't need your lullabies, you're wasting my time. I don't need your lullabies, I don't need your tired lines. You're just gonna waste my time. Oh, you know
smelled like crap. Well, I'm out of gas. So I guess that concludes today's video and my work for the day. But hey, I don't say this enough in these videos, that if you are not subscribed to the channel, obviously click the subscribe button, click a like for fun, and a little bell tells you when I make new videos like this one right here. Also, you can see somewhere on the screen here that my channel page has other related channels listed in a little section on the right. If you click on those channels, you can see their content as well. They're put there by me because I chose them as other really good Jeep channels for you to check out. And yeah, so go ahead and do that and tune back in for the next episode.